Our next contestant is Nalani Echaves. In honor of her recent events, in Hawaii, Nalani would like to acknowledge the devastating floods that have impacted so many individuals and families across the island. To pay tribute, she has chosen to honor Oahu and the Mele Velina Oahu, composed by Robert Casimiro, Wayne Chang, and Lena Ala Kalama. The hula was taught by Auntie Kahinu Harrelson of Halau Hula Kawai Hinu Pi'ilani under the direct guidance of Auntie Jean Kalani. She would also like to conclude with the Oli Mahalo, offering gratitude to everyone present and to those who have supported throughout her journey, and above all, to God for blessing her for the opportunity to be here today. Please put your hands together for Nalani Echaves.
Iha kuma